Hi guys, so today we are at the AKB farm in PD to document how the goat farm is maintained. So guys, this is Uncle Arvind. He is the one who runs the farm and he has a few workers who also help him to run the farm. So Uncle Arvind, what are the process that goes on in this farm on a daily basis?
Daily basis, we definitely feed the goats. And then feeding the goats, customers come in to buy the goats live. So you buy it live or you have it slaughtered here.
Slaughtered here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So some customers also like to keep goats. So what we do is to buy the young kids and they bring it back and they raise them as pets.
Oh, they raise them as pets, but here?
We buy it here and then
they bring it back home.
To it,
I get it. So what time does the first feeding happen?
It depends, depending on 8:30.
8:30. And then is there only one feeding for the day?
No, they have one in the morning and one in the evening.
What is fed to the goats, Uncle?
What they are fed is dry feed.
Dry feed.
Okay, so we mix them up with some other feeds also. And those what fed, those what fed in the morning. In the evening we have palm oil.
Okay.
So why? Just to cut costs. Palm oil is actually free of charge.
So you guys just go out and get what other things?
Well, I think
I think like are the goats given medicine?
Well, definitely they are given medicine if they fall sick.
What are the type of sickness that the goats go into and what are the medicines usually?
Just like most humans, they suddenly can have upset stomach, coughing, fever.
The medication, is it given by a vet or do you all know?
Usually we can call a vet from the I1 and they also come and help us to give medicine.
Okay. How do you know whether if the goat is having a fever or not?
You can see because when we are having fever, so we will definitely have symptoms for ourselves. So what symptoms we have, they also have the same symptoms. They can actually go down there, they must be crawling. So if they are having an upset stomach, they are having diarrhea.
Okay.
So just see them feed them. After about 1 month plus, about 1 month, we say about 1 month, we let the mom go back and breed again. After about 1 month plus, we let the mom breed again, and then we have them put here, and then they are actually trying to learn to feed on their own. But I have my worker to actually take care of them, make sure that they are having sufficient